You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced more correct pronunciation, stay tuned. There are more videos for you you'll want to learn from. There are different pronunciations depending on the language. In French, Alban. Spanish pronunciation, Alban. Swedish, Alban. In English, however, in English-speaking countries, it's more generally pronounced as Alban. Do you pronounce it any other way? How do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments and where you're from, so we can learn from you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.